Hello guys, welcome to Email Hostel where you learn new ways on how to make money online. And in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this website to you. So you have to watch this video to the very end for you to understand how this website works and how you can make money from this website. So right here, as you can see right here on my screen, you can see the name of the website. So quickly, I'm going to show you how this website works, everything you need to know about this website right in this video. So you need to watch the very end. So before that, if you are new to my channel, my name is Emmanuel. Basically, what I did literally that I visit how to make money. What I did that I tried to start, I found out something working for me. I record video by showing you guys what I'm doing so that I can do the same thing and get that same results. So all I want you to do for me is just to subscribe and turn on notification. If you click the first link in description, you'll be able to sign up and registration is free. It's free to sign up, so you're not paying any money, you're not paying any registration fee, so it's free to sign up. So let me quickly tell you how this website works. So if I just click on this, how it works. So if you register on a dashboard, we see how it works right there. So you can see right here is how this website works. So if I come right here, you can see Superwave is a fast rising free marketing program that is here to empower and enable its users to earn money online totally free of charge. So on this website, you're earning free of charge. There is no registration fee, just free to sign up and start making money. So right here, if you just click on right, you can see who can be a member. Anyone can be a member. Anyone can be a member and perform tasks on this website. So you can see you can just read all this. So you can see how do I earn on Superwave income program. Have you ever wondered how bloggers in Nigeria make millions of naira every month? It's simple. It's simple. Google and other advert companies pay bloggers to place adverts on their blogs, website, and the bloggers get paid when you visit and click on their adverts. So this tells you that bloggers. So this right you can see this simply means bloggers make money when you visit their blog or website. So the more you visit, the more money they make. The question is, why do bloggers take all the money for themselves without giving a dime to the visitors who help them make money? So this side say that this is the difference. We are making a super wave. We have designed a system that allow us share our revenue with our members here, 15th of every month. So right, you can see when you become a registered member, you can earn up to 50k every week on Superwave for free. So you can see. So right here you can see how it works. You earn 1,000 naira immediately you sign up. So as you sign up, you will receive 1,000 naira as a sign up bonus. So when you log in daily, just as you log in on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, if you log in on this website, you earn 150. And if you read news, each news you read on the website, you earn 25 naira. Each comment you comment on any post, you earn 25 naira. And daily task earn up to 500 naira for completing each task daily on Superwave. You can see sponsor posts, you earn 150 for sharing sponsor posts on your Facebook account daily. And right here, referral bonus, you can earn up to 300 naira when you refer someone. And this is the highest way to earn. And it's not compulsory. So referral is not compulsory. It's not more like you can refer someone before you make money. You can also be performing tasks and make money from this website. So this is a warning. Creating multiple accounts for yourself using the referral link to earn additional rewards is strictly prohibited. If any such activity is detected, the user payment will not be proceed. So this tells you that when you use your referral link, as this is a free sign up account, as this is a free website, so when you are tricking them to use your referral link, and create multiple accounts, they say that if they dictate you that you will not get paid. So you can see now you can see any withdrawal for athletes. So withdrawal for athletes because the money that if you refer someone, your money is going for the athlete. If you perform tasks, the money is going for activity earners. So the minimum withdrawal for athletes referrals is 4,000. Why the minimum of activity earning task is 7,000, and withdrawal is 15th of every month, both of them. So this is how this website works. So right here you can see how this website works. You can see the affiliate right here. You can see the activity earners right here. So for you to perform task, just come right here, click on this three dots. You can see my task, leader, and sponsor post, spin and win, B payment. You can see top top 10 earners. You can see your diners that you refer. You can see where you can see where you can put your bank details. You can see your active log, what you have been doing on the website. So you can see account setting right here. So for you to, if I just click on this lead, you can see right here. If I just click on this one right here, you can see you can spend 2 minutes. You need to follow the instructions. Spend 2 minutes and read this post right here. So you can see you need to spend 2 minutes and read this post right here. And read this post right here. So right you can see. So after reading the post, you can just comment. So after using 2 minutes to read all these things, you can just come right here and come right here and see. You can see people's comment right here. You can see and these people that are commenting, they are earning 25 naira per each comment. So right here, if I just come right here, um, come right here and comment. You can see right here, say add comment. You can see, you can just say nice and click on add comment. So you can see your comments have been added. If I click right here and go to my dashboard right here, you can see that the money have been added. You can see right there that the money have been added. So this is how you be reading this website. So right here, if I click right here, for you to share posts, all you need to do is just to come right here and click on this sponsor post. You can also spin and win. So there are many ways you can see you can perform tasks. So there are many ways to earn up from this website. So this is how this website works. So if I actually give you a value, all you're about to do for me just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification so that anytime I drop a video like this, YouTube actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. Thank you for watching.